Hey, what's up?
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna have Grant shoot a blowgun into my leg. So, so this goes. Alright. Just do it whenever. Oh! Oh, shit! Oh! That's how far I was in! Shit!
I need to get my phone. Answer it for me.
Hello? Hey, I'm Wes. I'm getting pierced the blowgun through the weenus. Go. Oh shit!
Oh.
Does it hurt? Ow,
Leave it. Leave it.
Get it out! No! Okay, I'll pull it out. Just do it quick. Ah! Quick! Dude, it won't work! Just do it quick. Ow! Here, let me do it real quick. Fuck! Do it quick. Ready? Go. Ow! Ow! Oh my god, that hurts so much. Oh, so much. Ow!
Okay, we got it.
Ow. Is it bleeding? Yeah.
That hurts so much.
I just blew really hard too.
Nice.
2, 1.